feels a bit strange to start with LaunchGun because I've launched a few other products before. The one before LaunchGun was called LeadGen, which I didn't really care much about. I simply launched it with a single landing page, but it didn't receive much attention. I've been launching products on Product Hunt, and I believe it's a great place to introduce a new product for early adopters and product makers. The community there is quite valuable, and I thought I might be able to solve a problem for them. There is already a considerable amount of data available on Product Hunt regarding product launches. I thought that perhaps by gathering the public data, I could identify trends that no one has yet discovered. Alternatively, I saw potential in developing a tool that analyzes this data to help users launch more successfully on Product Hunt. I started with the code base of my last project, which was a combination of Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, Prisma, and kind authentication with database of Supabase. Since I consider myself a designer, I wanted to make it visually appealing. I found inspiration from the Vite website and decided that their style could serve as a differentiator for my product. So I revamped the styles of my code base to resemble the design of Vite website. I crafted a new homepage and dashboard for users focusing on one core feature, clustering products launched in the last month and calculating the performance of each cluster. I deployed my code to Vercel on a free domain, inthelaunch.vercel.app, and didn't even check whether the domain I wanted to purchase later was available. I created my product on Product Hunt and hit launch. The product began gaining attention, at least more than my previous launches, and I engaged with the community by answering comments. I even received a comment suggesting that I should buy a domain for my project. But I was just testing the waters to see if the idea had legs. I gained some users, but I knew I needed to deliver a better version quickly. So I purchased a domain with a different name, LaunchGun. I added a feature that asks users for a tagline and description for a future launch, and the product then finds similar products based on that tagline and description and analyzes the launch using the help of language models. I launched the product with the LaunchGun name again on Product Hunt, and I received more than 100 signups in total. But it wasn't enough to motivate me to stick with it on a large scale. I felt a bit disappointed for a while, but now I realized that I need to produce more tangible results from that data to create a great tool for product makers looking to launch successfully on Product Hunt. That's the LaunchGun story so far. But stay tuned. I'm working on a major upgrade that I'll share in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll catch you in the next one.